Okay, I want to talk about stock splits. Over time, the value of a stock usually goes up if it's a good company. And over a long period of time, it could go up a lot and it could be quite high. Many companies don't like their stock price to be high, so to bring it down, they split this stock. In this problem here, the company's going to give a 4-for-1 stock split. That means if you owned one share before, then after you own 4. But you don't really have more money or more investment because the value of each one of those shares will go down. Let me give you an analogy. If I give you a sandwich, you have one sandwich. If I cut that sandwich into 4 pieces, you still have the same amount of sandwich. Okay, it says here we had 30,000 shares before. Let's make a note of that. Shares, 30,000. Now, after the stock split, each one share becomes 4 shares. So let's multiply that by 4, and that will be 120,000 shares after. Before, after. Let's see. Oh, and down here, market price of 228. So before the stock split, each share cost 228. If you multiply that out, it's 6840. What is that number called? It has a name. It's called market cap. Market cap. That's how it's referred to. But it's actually market capitalization. When you look at different companies in the stock market, and if you want to know how big they are compared to one another, you look at the market cap. And this is published every time you type in a stock symbol and bring up the data. The market cap is one of the first things you can see. So after you cut this sandwich into 4, do you have more sandwich? No. So after you cut this company into more shares and more pieces, do you have more market cap, more value? No. You have the same value, 6840. But what is the new market price? Well, we could figure this out. We could divide both sides by 120. That cancels. So what is the market value? This is going to be 57. So here's the old price and here's the new price. Do you have more investment? No. But so why do they like to do this? Well, because they figure more people might buy this stock at the lower price than at the higher price. And if more people will consider buying it at the lower price, that would increase demand and it might increase the value. So let's say the value of this company goes up to 58 because of the increase in demand. Well, then that does create value, but you can't do this trick every day. It's just something that you can do. If a company has been successful over a period of time, you can do it occasionally. But it's a little trick to sort of create a little value out of thin air. How's that?